With us now is Hut 8 CEO Asher Genoot. Asher, it's great to see you again. Welcome.
Great to see you as well. Thanks for having me.
So we've been speaking about this, and obviously we've talked about kind of the rise and the change in plans with you a number of times. I guess my question now would be, are you concerned that everybody under the sun is going to start to do this as well and look at what an amazing business model this looks like, at least for right now, and say, why don't we go open a data center too and get into this?
So the beauty with Hut 8 is that we're developing a multifaceted energy infrastructure platform. We actually still have 700 megawatts that supports the Bitcoin network. So unlike many companies, we didn't convert any of our sites into AI. We developed net new sites for AI, and we signed about $17 billion of deals since then. And so we see a company as supporting technologies, and there will be different demands at different moments in time. And it's also really hard to build this infrastructure at scale. We are deploying large-scale infrastructure in communities and raising billions of dollars to support the builds and investing into those communities. And so one is our focus is on supporting technologies, not Bitcoin, not AI, but holistic technologies and building the infrastructure to support them. And two, it's incredibly difficult and complex to build this infrastructure at scale.
We talked to Tyler Page about this on Power Lunch yesterday. His firm has also had a lot of success with pivoting from Bitcoin mining to doing AI data centers. His secret sauce, as he was explaining, is low-cost power, and he's turned Tier 3 sites into more desirable ones. And I asked if he was still doing any Bitcoin mining, and he said only with the location that has the lowest power cost. Same question to you.
We're building sites across the board. So we have over 8 gigawatts in our development pipeline. And so something that really mattered to us was being able to show tenants and shareholders that we can continue to develop and grow net new facilities. The most important thing when it came to Bitcoin compute was lowest cost compute. So that's low cost energy from a month-to-month bill perspective, and that's low cost CapEx. So innovating on actually building the data center that supports that compute. In AI, it's actually pretty similar. Today, people just want compute quickly. Over time, economics are going to matter more and more. And so having that fundamental perspective of how do we drive operational costs down and CapEx down by design efficiency, by operations, and by optimization is something we're very excited for to continue to develop and build in the AI data center infrastructure space.
In a weird way, the fix for Bitcoin miners is for enough Bitcoin miners to get out of the business or for the Bitcoin price to go back up. But at some point, it will become attractive again. Is there a point at which it's attractive to you, or do you just kind of move on?
So today, Hut 8 supports the data centers. We actually spun out the Bitcoin mining business into a company called American Bitcoin, and we own a majority of that business today. And so we're still mining Bitcoin at over a 50% margin over the last 2 quarters. And I saw some stats that you showed earlier. We're actually mining close to $40,000 a coin. And so it's still profitable for us to mine. And it's exactly what you said. Everybody is leaving. Network difficulty has come down. And so therefore, it's actually efficient. And so that's what I love about what we're building at Hut 8 is we're building infrastructure that supports a bunch of technologies. And right now, AI is the thing that everyone's talking about. Bitcoin is volatile. But I looked 5 years ago, Bitcoin is up still 77% in the last 5 years. And so you still see kind of growth over a longer period of time. And we're building long-term infrastructure, even if there's volatility in these new and emerging technologies. As long as we believe in the underlying thesis, the technology will continue to remain and support it if we build really efficiently, if we have low-cost facilities and energy, and we're excited to continue to support both ecosystems.